Hey, it's Rocky here again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use our retracements trading range strategy to trade options. And this is a chart of Home Depot, and this is the current price action here. Today is the 7th of July 2016, and this is our big rally. We came back down and we made this low in here, and then on this day I put a call spread on expecting the market to rise, and I'll take you through the trade, show you how I did it. And as you can see, this is what happened after that. So let's go to the trade setup and the analysis I did, and I'll show you how this trade evolved. So this is my trading register here, and I put in a screenshot on the 30th of June 2016 because I wanted to put on a July 124 128 call spread. And that was because looking at this longer term chart here, we came up, made a high, stock came right down here to 50% retracement. And looking at the trend, we had a lower low here than here, but on the RSI we had a higher low here. And that said to me, based on price and RSI, that this stock was going to rally. The other telling thing here was if you project from here to here, the low to the high, and come out 50% in time, we were 1 day short of the low day. So looking at this, we have a 50% retracement in time and price with a lower low on the chart and a higher low on the RSI. So that to me looked like a fairly safe trade. So I let it rally, came back down, and my thoughts were that this would be a higher low. So on this day I entered a call spread, and this is what it looked like here. So I bought 3 July 16 124 calls, they're in the money for $4.30, and I sold 3 July 128 calls for $1.46. So I had a net debit of $432. Now that's the trade entry there, and here's the profit and loss graph. So this stock had to stay above 126.84 for me to make a profit, and if it traded below there, I had a stop loss order in based on the price of the stock to exit the trade at a small loss after commission. So if this stock stayed where it was, if it went up or it came down slightly, I was going to make a profit of $348. If it went below there, I was going to start making losses. So that was my stop loss point there at 126.84. So in summary, we're long this stock expecting it to rise. We've got a limited profit, but we also have a stop loss in place and we have a limited loss. And the chances of it going down through here are low, but that is a consideration. But when you're correct on position of the market, there's a very high probability that you're going to be on this side of the ledger and not on this side of the ledger. So let's go back to the chart now and see what happens. So this is the day I put the trade on, June 30, and then the next day we rallied strongly, had an inside day there, and today again we rallied strongly. So this trade so far is looking really good. It would have made more profit if I had have just bought a call option, but a call spread is much safer and you can make money if the stock stays the same, goes up or goes down slightly. With a call option, you have to have the trend right if you're going to make money. So that's why I used a spread, and if this stock continues to rally, or even if it goes down a little from here, this trade will expire with me making a profit. So that's how you can use a very simple call spread strategy to trade the signals that the system gives you. It's low risk, and as long as you understand position of the market and you're trading with the major trend, which in this case is up, even though the daily trend was down here, we'd come up here, we'd done a 50% retracement in time and price, lower low there, we had a higher low on the RSI, which I don't have on this chart, and then we started to rally, it made a higher low. So everything was in place here. If this rallied from here, this was probably going to be a very good trade, and as it's turning out now, it looks really good. So I hope that shows you another way you can trade these signals. If you don't have a large account, you can use options like this and dip your toe in the water and start to do very well. So that's it for this video. I'll talk with you in the next one.